for you. Oh, look at me, I'm a mess. Got stickers all over me, I love stickers. But now that you are here, my name is Zoe, and I am very excited to tell you my story of the sneezing prince. Once upon a time, in a land so far away, there lived a prince. His name was Prince... Oh, it seems I've forgotten to give the prince a name. What should his name be?
Prince Sneezy.
Prince Sneezy, I love that name. Prince Sneezy. Prince Sneezy had just been crowned king by his mother, the queen. Everything was fine and dandy until he felt an itch under his nose. He tried to shake it, but it wouldn't go. He huffed, he puffed, and he sneezed. It flew over the mountains, over the trees, over the valleys, and over the seas. And it landed in a dragon's cave. Ooh. Shiny! His mother was fed up and said to the prince, she said,
"Look what you've done now. If you want to be king, then you need to go and get that crown."
So with a huff and a puff, he set off on his long journey to be, destined to make new friends along the way, and maybe some not so nice friends at all.
Gotta get the crown, gotta get the crown, gotta get the crown, 'cause it's gold and shiny.
Shiny? Did somebody say shiny?
Gotta get the crown, gotta get the crown, gotta get the crown, 'cause it's gold and shiny.
Somebody did say shiny.
Gotta get the crown, gotta get the crown, gotta get the crown, 'cause it's
Hi,
gold.
little boy.
Whoa.
What's your name? My name's Goblin. What are you doing in these woods?
Well, my name is Prince. What's my name?
Sneezy.
Prince Sneezy. Prince Sneezy. And I did a very, very, very big sneeze, and I lost my crown. I think it landed over by the dragon's cave, which is...
You mustn't tell the prince, but I've always wanted the crown for myself. But I'm not allowed a crown because I'm a goblin. So I'm going to take the crown and make it my own. But you mustn't tell him. Lucky for you, I know.
She seems like a nice goblin.
Did you hear what the little goblin said? To take the crown for himself. He said,
Shh, you'll ruin my plans.
little did the prince know of the goblin's evil plans. What's going to happen to the prince? Maybe. We'll find out once we get to that cave.
Da 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 da. The dragon! Shh! Goblin! Goblin! Yeah.
Fabulous.
How do I get the crown?
To get the crown, you have to be mean.
Mean?
Mean.
Mean?
Mean.
How do I do that?
Do that. You have to make fun of her.
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 Wake up. He's waking up.
Your scales are ugly.
I think they're nice.
What?
Your wings are patchy.
But my mummy says they're nice.
What?
And you're not even a real dragon. You only have one horn.
That's too far.
Quick, grab the crown before she recovers.
Shiny. That wasn't very nice, was it?
Well, it was their crown, not your crown.
We got the crown. Ooh, it's getting kind of dark. getting kind of spooky. We should camp here for the night and travel back in the morning. All right, good night.
Good night, little prince. I'll see you in the morning. Maybe.
Crown! Oh no. Goblin? Oh no. Oh no. Do you know what happened? No. Goblin. Goblin's my friend. Are you sure? No, he's my friend. He's probably gone to get breakfast. Goblin!
And so it seems the goblin's plans were true. He's stolen the crown. And now that it's gone, what shall the prince ever do?
Be nice to it.
Maybe. How about this? I'll find a fairy. Yes, I'll find a fairy who can help the prince get the crown back from the goblin and save the day. Yes.
I can't find my crown anywhere.
Are you alright?
It's you.
It's the mean boy who said I wasn't a real dragon.
Oh,
That wasn't very nice, was it?
no.
Well, it wasn't who just said.
Oh, I'm sorry. The goblin made me say those things. I didn't mean it. I just wanted my crown back. Can you forgive me?
Well, you could have just asked for the crown, but I forgive you.
Oh, will you help me find my crown?
Of course we will, because we're good friends. And I'm pretty sure I saw your goblin this way.
That way?
This way.
Oh, great.
Got a crown! Woo! Got a crown. Look at it. It's shiny. I like crowns. Yeah!
Have you seen the goblin? You are a bad friend.
You made him do bad things.
You made him say mean things about me.
I just wanted the crown.
Well, you can't have it. Even. Achoo! It was this feather. That's what was making me sneeze.
Well, at least you got rid of him, didn't it?
Let's go back to the castle and get you crowned.
Yes.
Is that it?
Gracefully, Prince. Oh, what's his name again? Sneezy. Prince Sneezy and his real friends made it back to the castle safe and sound, with the crown in safe hands, and the feather was gone, so no more sneezing. But there was still one thing missing. More like someone was missing.
A goblin.
Yuck.
What do you want?
I had a lot of time to think about what I did when you sneezed me over the mountains, under the trees, through some bushes, and into some bees. And
Bees.
I wanted to say I'm sorry for being a bad friend. Can you forgive me?
I'll forgive you if you promise to always be a good friend.
I promise! Do you guys forgive me? Yay!
It turns out all the goblin really wanted was friends. Well, there still was one problem.
I've always wanted a crown.
Oh, luckily for you, I brought my bag full of hats.
Oh.
Don't worry, Goblin. I can fix it.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Wow!
I have a crown! And with us together and laughing and bestest of friends, we can finally have our happy ending. All together, the end.
So, there were the 5